let's say this is kind of genius. I have to admit, I should have done this, to be honest. But you got to think quickly and act quickly and have a good banker relationship. So basically, let's say you're big hedge fund one, not big, whatever. Doesn't have to be big. Hedge fund one, hedge fund two. Okay? Hedge fund one is short 1 million shares of Immune. Hedge fund two has no position. Nobody's long Immune, right? So that's normal. So you see the stock go up from, what, 6 to 14. You call up, this is a telephone, their banker or their CFO, either one, and you say, look, I'll buy 3 million shares at your last close, $6.30. And they say, whoa, wait a second. We're about to announce Alzheimer's results on Monday, right? And they say, yeah, of course we know that. So you want in on our stock right before then? Yeah, the market's not that liquid. We want to buy 3 million shares at 6:30. And they say, well, look, the stock's trading at 14 right now. What the fuck? We can't sell you at 6:30. And they say, take it or leave it. You don't want the money? That's fine. Do you want the money? They check. They say, they put the guy on hold, and they say, of course we need this fucking money. We're about to announce a failure. We need to survive after this. So let's raise some money. Okay. Let me call the lawyers. Okay. We'll take it. We'll sell you 3 million shares at 6:30, but we're not going to tell you what the data is. The hedge fund says, it's no big deal. We'll see what the data is on Monday. We have a good feeling about it. So hedge fund one had no position before. They get 1.5 million shares. Hedge fund two now gets 1.5 million shares. They're actually long. But all the while, they're allowed to short the crap out of this. So they sent it right back down to 6. And all the money from 14 to 6 is free money. So if they were able to short, I don't know, let's say they shorted it at 12 on average, some at 14, some at 10, some at 8, they made $18 million in a day. Which, even if you're a $1 billion fund, $18 million split between the two of them, $9 million. Hey, that's 90 basis points. That's a hell of a day. That's probably one of your best days of the year. You never got material non-public information from the company, right? You don't want to know, don't ask, don't know, don't tell. I'm free to trade the stock. The only information we have is the company is willing to take stock at $6.30. Which, if you had great data coming out tomorrow, why in the world would you do that? You would sell 50 million shares at $60 and raise 300 million. Well, that's even more than that. So it's over.